Good day, everybody. It's Trent Clarenbach with the Clarenbach Special Crops Report. Today is February the 3rd, 2026, and let's talk large green lentils. Now, I'm going to give you a brief history here if you're new to the channel. We've been a little slow with our special crops analysis lately, but the reason is nothing has really changed in the analysis. The special crops really move slowly, and there hasn't been much to report on, so I haven't bothered to waste much of our time here. But we started our analysis for the crop year back on August 1st, and that was turned out to be quite good analysis there. We had some encouragement to make some sales at those levels. David Nobbs and I followed up on August 22nd with a green lentil video where Dave provided his fundamental analysis, which lined up, I would say, almost perfectly with my technical. So we've been giving strong sell signals this entire crop here. And when I look at the chart here, this is my Clarenbach price index for Saskatchewan, and it's again, this is large green lentils. This is a weekly chart. It's a line chart. So the dark line here, the black line, is the weekly closing price. The red line is the 10-week moving average. And I just got it highlighted back here. Back here in August the 1st, we're around that 36-cent level. That was my index price at that time. And I published a video suggesting that this downturn is going to continue and it'd be a good opportunity to make some sales. Of course, we saw what happened. And right now, prices are hanging around that a little under 25 cents delivered, around, say 25 cents. And we're below that declining 10-week moving average. So really, as long as the price is below 25 cents, we have to remain bearish on the long time frame and on the short time frame. Now, if we can get back above 25 cents, then we get some hope and maybe some prospects for a rally back up to around that 30-cent level. But we're not there yet. We need to get this index above 26 cents, in my opinion. We're not there yet. So how much lower can this price go here? I'm going to flip on my monthly chart. And it's the candlestick chart again. Probably no one else is doing this. In fact, I know no one else is doing it. This is each candlestick represents the range of prices in that 1 month time frame. And in that video, Dave, I talked about how much lower these prices could go. And I had 11 cents a pound down is when I published that on, I guess it looks like August 20th. And the reason for that is head and shoulders pattern that's being formed here on this monthly chart. And once we broke that neckline, we did a measured move. We get down to that 11-cent level. Now, obviously, we're not there yet, but I want to give you and I don't know if we'll get there. It doesn't have to get there. But if we break below 25 cents or stay below 25 cents, break below 20, our next layer of hope is 18 cents, and if 18 doesn't hold, then my money is on 11 cents a pound, but we're not there yet, so we got no use getting too excited yet. Let's go back to that weekly chart. We've been encouraging making sales at 36 cents. It's trading at 25 cents now, so how much of a drop in value is that? That's 30% drop in value. So hopefully you took that recommendation, or that advice and that idea and made some sales back then before the prices start falling off a cliff. But yeah, you can see here when we put back the line chart on here, there really isn't. There's been a fairly narrow range since the end of September to now, so not really much to report on. But again, keep an eye on it. We get above 26, then I think we start to get some optimism for maybe 30 cents. But if longer we stay below 25 on the price index, the more likely 20 cents and 18 cents is in the cards. My name is Trent Clarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.